Apple has released the candidate versions of iOS 17.1 and iPadOS 17.1 to both developers and public beta testers for evaluation, following the introduction of the third beta version a week earlier. So, in today's video, we are going to tell you everything you should know from this new version, from new features to fixes for various bugs. So make sure to stay tuned till the end, and let's dive in. Key features of iOS 17.1. Number 1. Favorite music. Users can now designate songs, albums, playlists, and artists as favorites, which are then included in their library and utilized for personalized recommendations. This can easily be done directly from the lock screen using the Now Playing widget. Additionally, when starting a playlist, users will receive song suggestions. Number 2. Improved AirDrop. AirDrop functionality has been enhanced to allow transfers over the internet, eliminating the need for close physical proximity. Number 3. Name drop with Apple Watch. iPhones running iOS 17.1 can now utilize name drop with Apple Watches running watchOS 10.1. Wait for a moment. Before we go to the next feature, please like the video and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content like this. Number 4. Pocket protection. iOS 17.1 on the iPhone 15 Pro incorporates a feature to prevent accidental activation of the camera or flashlight when the device is in a pocket. Number 5. Wallet feature. Users of US Discover cards and individuals in the UK can now link their banks to view account balances and transactions within the Wallet app. Number 6. USB-C Apple Pencil support. On iPads, the update introduces support for the new USB-C Apple Pencil. iOS 17.1 addresses iPhone display issue. iOS 17.1 addresses a problem related to image retention on iPhone 15 models, resolving concerns about screen burn-in. This issue, which also affected some iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro users, was identified as a software problem, not a hardware issue. Upgrading to iOS 17.1 rectifies similar display issues experienced by users. Additionally, iOS 17.1 includes fixes for various other bugs. Prevents the significant location privacy setting from resetting during Apple Watch pairing. Ensures that custom and purchased ringtones are visible options for text tones. Enhances the responsiveness of the iPhone keyboard. Optimizes crash detection for iPhone 14 and iPhone 15 models, improving their response in vehicle crash events. Availability. The iOS and iPadOS 17.1 21B74 Release Candidate (RC) update is now globally available for developers. Anyone with a beta profile can download and install this version starting today. The general public can anticipate receiving these updates next week. And that's it for today's video. But before we finish this video, we would like to hear from you. Are you excited by these new features or not? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Also, remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Stay safe and curious.